Hi, this is the second video in my series for the NAMELAND Python Design and Coding project, and if you haven't watched the previous video or visited the website, then I suggest you follow the links in the description. So hopefully you've already read through some of this stuff, you've watched the introductory video, you've read the scenario, hopefully you've browsed through this, and now, and that's what this video is about, is downloading the data file. And this should be super simple for you. I've got it linked from my Google Drive. And this data file has a bunch of names. Now, there's no reason you couldn't type up your own file. Just make sure that it's saved as a plain text file. And if you want to download mine, then you can just click this download option. If for any reason that's not available to you, there's nothing stopping you from just selecting the text. I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut Control-C to copy. And then this is the important bit. You need a plain text editor or a program that can save as plain text. I'm going to use Notepad. And I will just do Control-V to paste, and then I will save it. Now, it's really, really important that you save it somewhere that you can remember where it is, and also I would save it in the same folder as you're going to save your Python program. Okay, if you do that, it will make things much easier. There are workarounds that you could have the data in a separate folder to the program file. In fact, that's often quite a good idea. But to keep things simple, I suggest you save this data file in the same folder as your program file. So you might like to create a folder, say, called NAMELAND, and put everything there. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Just download the file, get it saved, and then you're ready for the next task.